I'm
gonna let her take. Oof, ouchie.
Ooh, please be careful. Yeah,
that's why I wanted her back here, is because I knew, like, if Zarel casts a big fucking attack, she's gonna be in a bad spot. Right, if I have to heal her, I'll heal her.
Okay.
That silence bubble is actually breaking their brains right now. I love that.
That was amazing.
Culling was a great idea, apparently. So you know what?
Do it again. Oh, but she was the one that had silence, wasn't she?
Who? Oh fuck! Yep, she was. That's right.
Okay. Well, see how this plays out.
You know what else she can do though?
Postura. Oh, can we kill him? Is that possible? Damn. We did like negligible damage. We gotta get the fuck out of there.
I will probably have Astarion Misty style. Oh, he might get fucking.
Arrest them!
You have. Does she still not know what to do here?
I think she's broken.
In my inventory, there is an of arcane interference.
I got you.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you shoot that at what's his face over there and the guy that's fucking concentrating, it's either in my inventory and Astarion's.
Say no more, King. I got you. Hold on.
Yeah, it's in Astarion's. It's that one.
First of all, can I even hit him?
Motherfucker.
Oh, I can't shoot it again.
Not with the offhand shot.
No, I have extra attack.
Did you pull it out of Asterian's inventory? You have to do it that. You have to do it that way, where you have to pull it out of his inventory, and put it in yours. Oh, okay. Right. I think I can have Asterian end it. It's easing me into blind. Excuse me, he's immune to silence? That's the aura protection.
I mean, it's kind of worked out in the end, because now I'm in the middle of people that can get hit by the, that can take extra damage. I think we actually did straight up break Zero though, because she didn't do anything on her turn the second time, and she wasn't silenced. She's actively fantasizing about sleeping with us right now.